Number 15. The Hobbyzone E-Flight UMX Viper 30mm EDF is a compact yet thrilling RC jet that delivers an authentic modern fighter jet experience in a remarkably accessible package. Designed around a sleek Viper-inspired airframe, it features a powerful 30mm electric ducted fan that provides smooth, realistic jet-like performance with impressive speed and agility while remaining manageable for intermediate pilots. Its ultra-micro size allows it to be flown in smaller flying areas, yet the lightweight construction and precise aerodynamics ensure stable handling, crisp rolls, and confident high-speed passes. The model comes equipped with advanced stabilization technology that helps smooth out turbulence, improves tracking, and makes takeoffs, landings, and fast maneuvers feel more controlled and predictable. Durable EPO foam construction keeps it resilient against minor bumps, while the factory-installed electronics and pre-configured setup make it easy to get airborne quickly. With its combination of scale-inspired looks, responsive controls, and confidence-boosting flight assistance, the UMX Viper 30mm EDF stands out as an exciting RC jet that delivers both realism and fun without demanding excessive space or complexity. Number 14. The E-Flight Airbus, a 320neo twin 64mm EDF, brings the elegance of a modern commercial airliner into the RC world, with an impressive blend of scale realism and confident flight performance. Modeled after the iconic A320neo, this aircraft features a detailed airframe with accurate proportions, twin 64mm electric ducted fans, and smooth turbine-like thrust that delivers stable power across the entire flight envelope. Its wide wingspan and carefully tuned aerodynamics provide excellent lift, predictable handling, and smooth cruising characteristics, making it feel calm and composed in the air even at higher speeds. Advanced stabilization technology enhances control authority and helps maintain steady flight during turns, approaches, and landings, while also reducing the effects of wind and turbulence. The reinforced structure and high-quality foam construction ensure durability without compromising scale appearance, and the factory-installed electronics simplify setup for pilots ready to step into large-scale EDF airliner flying. With its realistic presence, smooth power delivery, and confidence-inspiring handling, the E-Flight Airbus, a 320neo twin. Number 13. The Freewing Zeus 45 NT turbine sport jet is a purpose-built RC aircraft designed to deliver the true feel of turbine-powered jet, flying with speed, precision, and authority. Its sleek, composite-reinforced airframe is engineered for high-energy performance, allowing it to handle the intense thrust and airflow generated by a real turbine engine while maintaining excellent structural integrity. The aerodynamic design emphasizes smooth tracking, strong vertical performance, and razor-sharp control response, making it ideal for fast passes, wide aerobatic maneuvers, and aggressive climbs. A well-balanced wing and refined control surfaces provide stability at high speeds while remaining predictable during slower approaches and landings. The aircraft is equipped with robust landing gear designed to handle higher weights in demanding runway conditions, adding confidence during takeoff and recovery. With its clean lines, sport jet proportions, and turbine-ready performance envelope, the Freewing Zeus 45 NT stands out as a refined yet thrilling jet that delivers an authentic, adrenaline-filled flying experience for experienced pilots. Number 12. The FMS 800mm Beaver captures the rugged charm of a classic utility aircraft, while delivering friendly, versatile performance that makes it a favorite for everyday RC flying. Built around a compact 800mm wingspan, this model is designed for short takeoff and landing capability, allowing it to operate confidently from grass fields, dirt strips, and even rough terrain. Its high wing layout and generous wing area provide excellent low-speed stability, smooth, slow flight characteristics, and forgiving handling that inspires confidence in a wide range of conditions. The lightweight yet durable foam construction enhances durability without sacrificing scale detail, while the powerful electric motor setup delivers strong thrust for quick takeoffs and steady climbs. thoughtfully engineered control surfaces ensure responsive yet predictable maneuvering, making it enjoyable for relaxed cruising as well as tighter turns. With its blend of bush-plane realism, dependable performance, and easygoing flight manners, the FMS 800mm Beaver is a well-rounded RC aircraft that delivers fun, practicality, and character in every flight. Number 11. The Black Horse Pilatus PC-21 ARF is a striking RC trainer and aerobatic aircraft that combines sleek military styling with reliable precision-oriented flight performance. Modeled after the real Pilatus PC-21, it features a streamlined fuselage and low-wing design that delivers smooth, responsive handling and excellent aerodynamic efficiency, allowing pilots to execute crisp turns, rolls, and aerobatic maneuvers with confidence. Its sturdy construction, made from durable composite materials and high-quality foam components, ensures resilience during repeated flights and minor mishaps, while keeping the aircraft light enough for agile performance. The well-engineered control surfaces provide predictable responsiveness, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced pilots seeking to develop aerobatic skills or enjoy spirited sport flying. With a balanced power-to-weight ratio, reliable engine compatibility, and scale-inspired detailing, the Black Horse Pilatus PC-21 ARF offers an immersive flying experience that blends realism, precision, and excitement in one capable aircraft. Number 10. The E-Flite GBR-2 1-meter RC airplane is a high-performance, scale-inspired aircraft that brings the legendary racing spirit of the original GBR-2 to the skies in a compact, manageable format. With its distinctive stubby fuselage, oversized radial engine cowl, and short, wide wings, this model delivers an unmistakable presence and an agile, fast-paced flight experience. Its 1-meter wingspan and carefully balanced airframe provide responsive handling, allowing pilots to perform precise aerobatic maneuvers, high-speed passes, and tight turns while maintaining control and stability. The durable EPO foam construction ensures resilience during spirited flying sessions, and the factory-installed electronics simplify setup so enthusiasts can get airborne quickly. Advanced flight characteristics and aerodynamic tuning make the GBR-2 both exhilarating and rewarding to fly, capturing the thrill and challenge of piloting a classic air racer while remaining accessible to intermediate RC pilots seeking speed, agility, and scale authenticity. Number 9. The Black Horse Viper Jet Turbine ARF is a high-performance RC jet designed for experienced pilots seeking the thrill and realism of turbine-powered flight. Its sleek, low-drag airframe and precise aerodynamic design allow it to slice through the air with impressive speed, agile maneuverability, and razor-sharp responsiveness, delivering an authentic jet experience. Constructed from durable composite materials, the Viper jet withstands the stresses of high-speed flight while maintaining a lightweight profile that enhances vertical performance and energy retention. The well-balanced wings and finely tuned control surfaces offer stability during high-speed passes and confidence-inspiring handling during takeoffs, landings, and aerobatic routines. With robust landing gear engineered for heavier turbine setups and pre-designed for smooth operation, pilots can focus on mastering aggressive maneuvers and high-speed circuits. Combining a striking scale-inspired look with real turbine-ready performance, the Black Horse Viper Jet Turbine ARF provides an exhilarating, adrenaline-filled flying experience that captures the excitement of modern jet aviation in RC form. Number 8. The Hobbyist E-Flite UMX aerobatics 3D FF 450mm is an ultra-micro 3D aerobatic RC airplane built for pilots who crave extreme agility and responsive, high-energy flight in a compact package. With its 450mm wingspan and lightweight, durable construction, the aerobatics delivers razor-sharp control authority, allowing it to execute precise rolls, flips, harriers, and inverted maneuvers with ease. Its pusher-prop configuration provides unobstructed forward visibility and efficient thrust, while the well-balanced airframe ensures stability without sacrificing the responsiveness needed for advanced 3D aerobatics. Factory-installed electronics, including powerful servos and an optimized motor setup, makes setup quick and straightforward, giving pilots more time in the air performing daring maneuvers. Despite its micro size, the UMX aerobatics offers a surprising level of performance, combining nimble handling, excellent power-to-weight ratio, and confidence-inspiring flight characteristics, making it a thrilling choice for both intermediate and experienced RC enthusiasts who love pushing the limits of 3D flight. Number 7. The E-Flite Micro Scrappy 800mm is a versatile and rugged RC airplane designed for pilots who enjoy bush flying and short-field operations with scale-inspired realism. With its 800mm wingspan and high wing configuration, it offers exceptional stability, slow flight control, and short takeoff and landing capability, making it ideal for flying from grass strips, dirt runways, or even rough terrain. The lightweight yet durable foam construction provides resilience against bumps and minor crashes, while the powerful electric motor delivers strong, reliable thrust for steady climbs and sustained cruising. Its large control surfaces and well-balanced airframe ensure responsive handling, allowing for precise turns and smooth landings even in challenging conditions. Equipped with factory-installed electronics, the Micro Scrappy simplifies setup while offering reliable performance, making it a fun and accessible choice for pilots seeking a combination of scale charm, practical performance, and enjoyable all-around flying experiences. Number 6. The FMS T-28 Trojan RTF is a striking scale-inspired RC aircraft that combines classic military trainer aesthetics with smooth, reliable flight performance, making it an excellent choice for both enthusiasts and aspiring warbird pilots. With its robust construction and carefully designed airframe, the T-28 Trojan delivers predictable handling, stable cruising, and responsive control, allowing pilots to perform graceful turns, coordinated aerobatics, and precise landings with confidence. Its high-quality foam materials provide durability without adding unnecessary weight, while the powerful motor and efficient propeller setup ensure strong takeoff performance and consistent thrust throughout flight. The factory-installed electronics simplify setup, enabling quick assembly and immediate flight readiness. Featuring authentic scale lines, a well-proportioned fuselage, and realistic details, the FMS T-28 Trojan RTF combines visual appeal, dependable handling, and enjoyable performance into a single aircraft that captures the spirit of the classic military trainer while offering an accessible and rewarding RC flying experience. Number 5. The Radiolink D460 Turbot is a high-performance RC airplane designed to deliver speed, agility, and precision for pilots who crave thrilling flight experiences. Its sleek, aerodynamic fuselage and carefully engineered wing profile provide excellent lift and stability, while enabling sharp turns, fast passes, and aggressive aerobatic maneuvers with confidence. Constructed from durable, lightweight materials, the D460 Turbot maintains resilience during high-speed flight and minor mishaps without sacrificing performance. Number 4. The FMS EDF Jet 64mm F A-18 Hornet is a high-performance RC jet that brings the thrill and realism of modern fighter aviation to the skies. Built around a sleek, scale-inspired airframe, it features twin 64mm electric ducted fans that provide smooth, turbine-like thrust, allowing for fast passes, sharp turns, and precise aerobatic maneuvers. Its well-engineered wings and control surfaces offer responsive handling while maintaining stability at both high and moderate speeds, making it accessible for skilled pilots seeking a balance of performance and control. The durable foam construction ensures resilience during aggressive flying, while the lightweight design enhances vertical performance and energy retention. Equipped with factory-installed electronics, the jet is ready for immediate action, delivering confidence during takeoffs, landings, and advanced maneuvers. Combining striking F/A-18 styling with powerful EDF performance, the FMS 64mm Hornet offers an exhilarating, authentic jet experience that captures the excitement of high-speed military flight in RC form. Number 3. The OMP Hobby 67 Extra NG is a precision-engineered RC aerobatic aircraft designed to deliver high-performance flight and exceptional maneuverability for serious pilots. With its impressive 67-inch wingspan, this model combines a lightweight, durable airframe with aerodynamic efficiency, allowing for smooth, controlled flight and precise execution of complex 3D aerobatic maneuvers, including rolls, loops, harriers, and knife-edge passes. Its robust construction ensures resilience during spirited flying sessions, while the powerful motor and finely tuned propeller setup provide strong thrust and responsive acceleration for both slow, graceful aerobatics and high-energy vertical climbs. Well-balanced control surfaces give pilots crisp, predictable handling, making advanced maneuvers more accessible and enjoyable. With scale-inspired lines, clean finish, and factory-installed electronics that simplify setup, the OMP Hobby 67 Extra NG blends professional-grade performance with reliability, offering an exhilarating and rewarding RC flying experience for aerobatic enthusiasts. Number 2. The E-flite SNJ5, at 6 techs and 1.5 meters, is a meticulously crafted RC warbird that captures the classic charm and rugged performance of the legendary military trainer. With its generous 1.5-meter wingspan and high-quality foam construction, the aircraft offers excellent stability, predictable handling, and smooth flight characteristics, making it accessible to intermediate pilots while still satisfying experienced warbird enthusiasts. Its scale-inspired design, including a realistic fuselage, detailed cockpit, and authentic markings, gives it a commanding presence in the air, while the powerful motor and efficient propeller setup provide strong takeoff performance, steady climbs, and reliable cruising speed. Well-balanced control surfaces allow for precise maneuvering, tight turns, and gentle landings, giving pilots confidence during both relaxed flights and more aggressive aerobatics. Equipped with factory-installed electronics for quick setup, the SNJ5 at 6 techs and 1.5 meters combines historical accuracy, robust performance, and enjoyable handling, delivering a rewarding and immersive flying experience that honors the spirit of a classic trainer aircraft. Number 1. The Aero's 850mm P-51D Mustang PNP RTF is a beautifully detailed RC warbird that brings the iconic Mustang experience to the skies with impressive scale realism and dependable performance. With its 850mm wingspan, streamlined fuselage, and classic low-wing design, it offers stable flight, smooth cruising, and precise handling that allows pilots to enjoy both relaxed flying and spirited aerobatics. The durable foam construction ensures resilience against minor bumps and hard landings, while the powerful motor and optimized propeller deliver strong thrust for confident takeoffs, climbs, and vertical maneuvers. Its well-balanced control surfaces provide responsive, predictable handling, making it easier to execute tight turns, rolls, and other scale-inspired aerobatic moves. Available in both PNP and RTF configurations, the Mustang is ready to deliver a thrilling flight experience with minimal setup, combining striking visual authenticity, reliable performance, and the exhilarating feel of piloting a legendary World War II fighter in RC form.